Yeah. Let's get it. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2, except for the fact that I'm no longer calling myself Ben Windsor TV2. From now on, this channel is just going to be called Fresh Out of the Box. I was going to call it Fresh Out of the Box, which all of my other videos have been called, but I've decided Fresh Out of the Box just sounds way more clean. So we're going with a bit of a French flow, and from now on, you are watching Fresh Out of the Box. Anyway, today, let's get the unboxing going. What we have is the third installment of the Nike Basement collab. Now these are the Nike Basement Glasgow editions. So I had the other two on video. I didn't actually think I'd get a pair of these, but sneakers and stuff, which obviously you can see the bag is here, it's from. I actually won the raffle from them, and they did their raffle late. So that's how I ended up getting my hands on these trainers. With regards to these shoes, they're not as in demand as I think the Londons were, but they're all three of them have had like fairly good demand, and they've also got different designs. So I'm actually going to get the light turned on for this as well, because I think we need some extra light. It's starting to get to that dark time of year, and we'll actually have a look at these in the unboxing. So I actually really like the other two pairs. I think the Basement have absolutely smashed this collab series so far. And we'll have a look at these today. So they're in a UK 10, which is actually my size, so I'll get an on feed done for you guys too. But yeah, first impression of these shoes. So again, I think they've smashed it. These ones are different to the other two pairs in the fact that they've got much more sort of sturdy materials. I'd say these are much more of a winter shoe. But all over again, the detailing is just so clean. So to start with, it's got this grey sort of suede, and then it has this reflective material here. So the actual shoe name there is Smoke Grey, Reflective Silver, Gris Fume, Reflect Argent, for my French homies out there. But yeah, it's got this really cool sort of reflective thing on the back, which goes really nicely with the shoe. You can see sort of the Nike Air braiding through that. You've then also got the reflective bit on the logo there, along with sort of detailed grey stripes, and also checkered pattern there. It feels a lot more sturdy. The front is then made of suede, and you have this little Nike tick there. Again, just like the other Basement trainer collabs that they had there, on the lace, the shoelace string end, you have these little real things, which again I think that's really clean. And then the orange, obviously leather tongue there. That's what they look like from the other way around, with the grey there. And again, I think these are ones that just look a lot better on feet. They come with some spare sort of, in fact I thought they were grey, but they're sort of like beige laces, which is pretty cool. And then we'll have a look at the other pair as well. So one thing that's worth noting with these as well, on the insoles, you've got the real people do real things, which is the same slogan that the Basement have used across all of these releases. And then you also have the traffic cone detailing. So the detailing on this one is because obviously the trainer is from Glasgow, and there's a famous statue in Glasgow, I can't remember the name of it, but where people chuck the cones onto the head of the statue when they're drunk and shit, and that's why it's in the shoe. So that's quite a nice little touch there. But yeah guys, a really clean pair of trainers. The Basement, all three of this series, they've absolutely killed it. In all honesty, I did sell the Londons, even though I sort of wanted to keep, just because the size didn't fit me quite right. And then yeah, I got lost in Stepney Green, and I should have collected another pair the next day from Brixton, but I was running on 3 hours sleep and I just could not be bothered. So yeah, I would say if you like these again, definitely cop, because I don't think they're going to lose much value. They're reselling for maybe like £35 over what you could get for them in store at the moment. But yeah, really clean pair. Again, just the whole series has been absolutely smashed by Nike and the Basement. I think they've done really well on these. So yeah, that's about it actually. I'll try and get a little on feet of these now as well for you guys. But in the meantime, thank you again for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos in the future, and I'll try and get a little on feet for you guys now.
Flow so hard, beats the best. Let me get this one right here off my chest. It's your boy Bo, I ain't tryna be settling for less. Oh yes, I've had enemies that I turned into frenemies. Spitting riddles in the middle, that's my pedigree. Let it breathe, somehow they just better see that I'm just tryna be me.